What if you could have the maneuverability of a compact camper van, the luxury of a premium RV, and the off-road capability of an expedition vehicle, all in one package? Meet the all-new Rossmonster Loft, a revolutionary Class B+ adventure camper that's changing the way people think about van life. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD chassis and featuring America's first one-piece composite box body, this isn't just another camper conversion. It's a completely new approach to adventure travel. But with a starting price of nearly $285,000, is it really worth it? Let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is that the Rossmonster Loft doesn't look like a traditional camper. Most expedition campers are built using several flat composite panels joined together. Rossmonster took a completely different approach. Instead, the Loft features a vacuum-infused, single-piece composite shell, making it the first American-made 144-inch composite box van of its kind. Why is this important? Because fewer seams mean fewer chances for leaks, better insulation, improved durability, and greater structural strength. It also creates a smooth, modern exterior that looks more like a luxury expedition vehicle than a typical camper van. The result is a camper that's stronger, lighter, quieter, and built for all-season adventures. The Loft is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 AWD 144-inch chassis. Many experienced van owners consider the 144-inch wheelbase the perfect balance. It's compact enough for city driving, easy to park, comfortable on winding mountain roads, yet still spacious enough for long road trips. Rossmonster didn't stop there. The Loft also receives ajustable suspension, super single rear wheels, all-terrain tires, increased ground clearance, better departure angles. This means you can confidently explore gravel roads, mountain trails, desert tracks, snowy campgrounds, and remote destinations without driving a giant RV. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how flexible this camper is. The centerpiece is a ceiling-mounted queen-size elevator bed. During the day, it stays raised, giving you a spacious living area. At night, it lowers into a comfortable bedroom within seconds. But that's only half the story. The rear lounge converts into another queen-size bed. That means the Loft can comfortably sleep up to 4 people. Traveling with friends? Bringing the family? No problem. Need more storage instead? The seating can actually be removed completely. Now you've got a massive rear cargo garage for bikes, skis, surfboards, climbing gear, camera equipment, camping supplies, or anything else your adventures require. It's a camper designed around real outdoor lifestyles, not just weekend camping. One of the smartest features is something Rossmonster calls the rain room. Instead of hiding the shower in the back, it's positioned right next to the entrance. Why? Because it works as both a shower and a mudroom. Imagine returning from hiking, mountain biking, skiing, or surfing. Instead of dragging mud and water throughout the camper, you simply step inside the rain room. Dirty boots, vêtements jaquettes, snow-covered clothing, everything stays contained. Even better, buyers can choose an optional recirculating shower system that dramatically reduces water usage. For off-grid camping, that's a huge advantage. A luxury expedition camper needs serious power. The Loft certainly delivers. It comes equipped with a massive 1000 lithium battery bank, a 3,000-watt inverter, 440 watts of rooftop solar, secondary alternator charging, shore power connection. This setup allows owners to run appliances, lighting, laptops, cameras, refrigerators, and induction cooking without constantly worrying about campground hookups. Water systems are equally impressive. The Loft includes 40-gallon fresh water tank, 24-gallon gray water tank, diesel-fired hot water, hydronic cabin heating, radiant heated floors. Whether you're camping in freezing mountains or hot deserts, the Loft is designed to stay comfortable year-round. Many camper vans claim they're 4-season capable. The Rossmonster Loft actually backs that up. Its insulated composite shell minimizes heat loss during winter and keeps temperatures cooler during summer. Add heated floors, integrated insulation, air conditioning, hydronic heating, and insulated window coverings. You have a camper ready for almost any climate. Whether you're chasing autumn colors, camping beside frozen lakes, or escaping into the desert, the Loft is built to keep you comfortable. So, is the Rossmonster Loft worth its $284,987 starting price? For casual campers, probably not. but for serious overlanders, full-time travelers, outdoor athletes, and buyers looking for one of the most advanced compact expedition campers available. The Loft represents something special. Its innovative one-piece composite construction, flexible interior, luxury comfort, off-grid capability, and premium engineering place it in a category of its own. Rossmonster didn't simply build another Sprinter conversion. They created what could become the new benchmark for premium compact expedition campers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest RVs, camper vans, and adventure vehicle reviews. Question of the day: would you spend $285,000 on a Rossmonster Loft, or would you choose a different expedition camper? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.